Okay, we're going to look at 3 questions today about algebraic proof. Now the first one says, prove the sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is always a multiple of 6. Right, so we need to start by setting out our parameters. So the first thing you should do is let n be any number. And then from that, 2n must be even. And 2n plus 1 must be odd. Okay, so for this example, we just need to use this one here. Let n be the sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is always even. So we need to use this one. 2n must be even. So if 2n is even, the next consecutive odd number is 2 more than that, which is 2n plus 2. And the next consecutive number is 2n plus 4. Even plus 2 is even. Even plus 4 is also even, and they're next to each other. So if we add these together, we get 2n plus 2n plus 2 plus 2n plus 4, giving us 6n plus 6. Now because 6 is a factor, it can come out. Now this means 6 times that, so therefore this is a multiple of 6. Okay, question 2. These are ones I really like because it's a show that question, so you know where you've got to get to and you can keep tracing your steps till you get it right. So first of all, we've got an expansion of a quadratic going on here. So we've got n times n, which is n squared. N times 3 is 3n. Negative 2 times n is negative 2n. And negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. And then we're adding 6 minus n. Now 3n take 2n is 1n. So we've got n squared plus an n take 6. Now we can remove the brackets now. So this is add 6 take n. And you should see that that negative 6 cancels with that 6. And that n cancels with that negative n. Leaving you with n squared. So n squared equals n squared. And then you can write QED. Proved. Okay, last question. This is a very common one. Show that 2n plus 3 all squared, take away 2n, take 3 all squared is a multiple of 8. So we've got some expansions to go on here first. So we've got 2n add 3 times 2n add 3. Take away 2n take 3, 2n take 3. 2n times 2n is 4n squared. 2n times 3 is 6n. 3 times 2n is 6n. And then 3 times 3 is 9. Take away, and I'm leaving this in brackets for the time being. 2n times 2n is 4n squared. 2n times negative 3 is negative 6n. Negative 3 times 2n is negative 6n. And negative 3 times negative 3 is plus 9. And let's tidy this up. So it's 4n squared plus 12n plus 9. Take away, tidy the brackets. 4n squared, take 12n plus 9. Now this is why I've left in the bracket, because we've got to take away all of it. So all of the signs are going to change. So 4n squared plus 12n plus 9. Take 4n squared plus 12n, take 9. Now you should see that that 4n squared cancels with that 4n squared. That plus positive 9 cancels with that negative 9, leaving you with 12n plus another 12n, which is 24n. Now again, it's got to be a multiple of 8. Now 8 does divide 24n, so this becomes 8 lots of 3n, and because it's a factor, 8 times 3n, therefore this is a multiple of 8. If you want to save time, you can replace therefore with the 3 dots. Thank you.